Welcome back, Angie Edge from Dairy Farmers of Wisconsin joining us now. Happy New Year, Ange.
Happy New Year to you, Mark.
I hear you're making salted caramel mascarpone fondue. That sounds pretty good.
Yes, it is a cold, chilly day in Wisconsin, and fondue is such a fun winter activity. So this today is a dessert fondue, but we have a lot of traditional fondues on our website as well. So if you're looking for a Swiss cheese fondue, we even have gorgonzola or a Grand Cru fondue. Lots of fun ideas and ways to entertain maybe small groups so you can stay safely in your home this winter.
Okay, so what are we doing today?
It's really easy to make, and it only has 3 ingredients. So it starts with 1 container of Wisconsin mascarpone fondue, and I'm using the Farmstead mascarpone that's made in Waterloo at the Crave Brothers Mascarpone. And it's a very soft, creamy, delicate cheese. It works beautifully for desserts. And you can see it almost looks like a cream cheese. It's very soft and delicate. And then 1 package of caramels that's mixed together in my fondue pot. So again, very simple. And then also another local Wisconsin ingredient is some Sassy Cow heavy whipping cream. So basically you're gonna melt all that in your fondue pot, and it's gonna get to a great consistency. I know you're virtual, but it is absolutely
It looks
beautiful.
good.
Creamy, delicious. And then you can have fun with a lot of different dippers. So I have strawberries, apples. You can see it's really fun and festive for your friends and family. So there's strawberries, pound cakes, grapes, apples. You can really have fun with all different types of dippers. There's cookies. I also made these cute little marshmallow skewers that you can dip right into your fondue as well. And then of course, if you are having the traditional Swiss fondue, you can try different roasted vegetables and really get lots of different colors and variation with your fondue.
And the kids can have a lot of fun with this as well.
Absolutely. They can help make it. They can help cut the dippers. And so when you're out shopping for your fondue ingredients, make sure you're looking for that Proudly Wisconsin cheese seal on all your Proudly Wisconsin cheeses. And as you know, Mark, Wisconsin makes a lot of great cheeses, so lots of opportunities to find Wisconsin cheese and fondue.
Do some cheeses work better than others in the fondue? I know you have the soft cheese there.
Yeah, the soft cheese works well, like I said, the Swiss cheese, but you might be surprised at even a blue cheese or a gorgonzola. So depending on what you're mixing with it, almost any cheese actually works well as long as it melts and tastes great.
And you have a bunch of recipes on the website.
Yep, you can visit wisconsincheese.com and you'll find this salted mascarpone fondue. And you can also, like I said, there's a gorgonzola fondue, there's a Swiss cheese fondue, and lots of inspiration for your maybe winter cooking and get you inspired for the new year.
I'm gonna have to go find the fondue pot somewhere in the garage, I think.
There you go.
and fondue's making a comeback, I think. There's
It is.
a couple of restaurants.
You can find fondue pots at almost lots of local retailers sell them. And it's just such a fun activity. So you could do, an appetizer fondue, an entree, and even a dessert. And, a great way to, stay home, stay cozy, and enjoy your friends and family too in small groups.
Yep. Great winter activity.
Yes.
And delicious as well. Angie, thanks for being with us today.
Thank you.
Have a great new year. We'll see you in a
You
month.
too.